Evolution and the result. Evolution brings us changes that sometimes make us fail to recognize ourselves even after a lapse of centuries. When the great white race of today had no civilization of its own, when white men lived in caves and were counted as savages, this race of ours boasted a wonderful civilization on the banks of the Nile. It may sound good for some Negroes to say that they were born here or there, and they do not intend to go anywhere else but to where they saw the light of day. But let me say to you men, the world is small and humanity in its many various race groups is growing larger every day. A race that was 10 million 50 years ago is today 60 million. A race that was 30 million 50 years ago is today 90 million. How many will they be tomorrow? And the world is not growing larger. What will happen through the manipulation of all these various race groups? Of those who are in power, of those who are strong, those who have at their command the forces of nature, through which they can exploit the weak and ultimately exterminate them.